How to clean junk files on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean junk files on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and now click this one here, settings, and after you click on it you will find clean storage. All you need to do is just click on it, and then just select junk files and click clean, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.